Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And the end of the last video, we finished this. So now we need to do this part right here that seems difficult, but it's really pretty easy. And I always make a copy of my stuff I'm working on so I have extra dots. And I'm going to just take these four and Control G and group them together, and then just bring them into my picture. And if you see, I drew a line. So if you have a PDF of a board or you're just starting out, really it's the same distance from there to there it is to there to there. But we just need to move this guy to right there. And if you look at it, it doesn't look like it's perfect, but it is. So now, how do we get this to rotate around there? Well, that's grouped together. And I'm going to click on it, and I've already figured out that this is the center. Now we're going to go and use another tool. Go to Windows, Dockers, Transformation or Transform. We're going to go 20 degrees for 9 times around that 180 circle. And it was that easy. Now, we need one more in the middle. So what we're going to do, we're going to ungroup these. And we're going to ungroup this section. Now, the only thing we need to really look at are these individual circles. Because we've rotated them, they're going to be a little different. So if you notice the arrow's at the bottom and it's pointing left to right. This one, the arrow's at the top pointing right to left. So we need to take that guy and make it identical. So I'm going to rotate it, mirror it both directions. So now it's at the bottom going left to right. If you don't have stuff done like that when you blend, it won't work. Now hold down the Shift key and select those two, and we'll open up the blend docker, and we're just going to blend one time. And it's right in the center, spaced out equally, everything. You know, I was going to make a third video, but this is basically the same thing. You know, it's just laying out dots and rotating them around this center. And then that's just, like I said, I don't know anything. This is just 3 of those 5 columns. So this would be the exact same thing, except for you're just going to rotate it probably 40 degrees or something. Anyway, you can't really get any more symmetrical or perfect than that by using those tools. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.